guys, I have a new selfie stick that doubles as a tripod that works with the remote control. This is the BlitzWolf Selfie Stick Tripod with a Bluetooth remote control. I've used Monopods, which people now call selfie sticks, before, but I've never had one with a remote. I feel really fancy with this now. And this, to me, is the best feature of this product. So this BlitzWolf selfie stick is designed to work with your smartphone and a very lightweight camera like the Gopro. This is designed for cameras with a width between 2.2 inches and 3.42 inches. When folded, this is about 7.8 inches long, so you can carry it in your purse, bag, backpack, and it extends out into 10.8 inches, all the way to 26.7 inches. I'm going to show you a little bit more about this in a second. Alright, so what's really cool about this device that I mentioned earlier is the fact that it has a remote control. And this remote control is Bluetooth. It pairs with your smartphone or a small camera like your GoPro. And you can take this remote control out, very easily just slip it out. And with this tripod feature, which I'll show you right now, all you have to do is set it up like that. It's very steady. And if you were taking a big family picture or something like that, you bring the remote control with you and sit back and set your camera up, and boom, there you go. Got a great picture ahead of you. Alright, to place your phone, all you have to do is turn this around and adjust it. This does adjust. So I will do that for you. Adjust it all the way in, and boom, there you go. That's what I really like about this piece. I can now be guaranteed that my phone's not going to fall out at all, and I can take a picture. Have my camera set up. Alright, so when you have your camera all set up, camera or your phone, just pull it all the way out or to your desired length. I'm going to pull it all the way out. And with the remote on the back, that's the easiest thing to do. Just sit there, smile, and take your picture. And this is Bluetooth, so it'll work just with your regular camera settings as if you were there taking the picture yourself. Now I'll show you what it'll look like in tripod mode. All you have to do is get these little legs out. Make sure that it's balanced enough on all three sides. Remote out. Get ready for a picture. And then all you have to do is press the remote when you're ready. Okay, and I just took my picture. How handy is that? Alright, so here's a better look at how to use it with the tripod. All you have to do is take the remote control out, have it wherever you need it, and take a picture. Please be sure to check the description section below to find out more information about this product. Thanks for watching.